Hey guys, happy Monday. I know I am looking rough, but I have been going since this morning. So, just wanted to give you a quick house tour. This is my new place. It is a little bit smaller, or actually a lot smaller than my other place. And again, I don't have a craft room. They are doing some repairs out there, so there's some noise but in the background. But I'm gonna do this real quick because I have to go pick up my kids from school here in a minute. But I wanted to make sure I show you my new digs. So there are like cleaning supplies and some stuff all over the floor, but excuse that stuff. So, oh, can I flip this around or no? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I don't think I can flip you around now. All right, hold on. All right, so here we go. This is, when you come in from the front door, this is our living room. We no longer have a dining room, which is kind of horrible, but this is gonna be like our little shoe nook or whatever you want to call it, like what's it called? I've never had one, so I forget what they're called, but where you take your shoes off and stuff. So that's what's going to be there. These are Dollar Tree little carpet remnants, and I'm going to put those in this corner. I have a few more. Those I just put some carpet, like fresh stuff on it, and that's a clean brush, so don't think that I have like a dirty used toilet brush in my living room. But yeah, so I'm gonna make that like what is it called? A coat, I don't know, a mud room, like a little mud room. That's what it's called. So I'm gonna do that right here, and I'm gonna set those tiles in this section so that the carpet doesn't get all messed up. I don't want people walking around in shoes in the new carpet. On the carpet, because it's new carpet and I don't want to have to keep cleaning it. So coming through the living room, again, I'm cleaning, so you're gonna see cleaning supplies and stuff like that. But coming into the kitchen, it's a nice big kitchen, which is refreshing because we have a tiny kitchen. That's the one good thing. We have a tiny kitchen. So this is much bigger. They're older appliances. We're debating whether to bring in our appliances or not, but I don't think our stove is gonna fit. And that's a brand new stove, so I think we're just gonna make do with what's there. That's my son's lunch right there. And so yeah, so plenty of cabinet space. One thing that I'm grateful for, another thing, not one thing, grateful for having a place to live, but we have a pantry. I have not had a pantry since I lived in Chicago. So you don't find pantries very often out here in Indiana, so I'm very grateful to have a pantry because we had to make a little makeshift one in our basement at the other place. So like I said, there's pros and cons to the two different places. So this is our kitchen. So I'm debating, I think I'm gonna put a little table here because we don't have a dining room. So I think I'm just gonna put like a little kitchen table there or there. I haven't decided because that's kind of close to the stove. So I don't know, we'll see what I decide. But I have a little table that somebody was giving away and I just have to refinish it. And I think that's gonna go there with a few chairs and call it a day. So then we go through the hallway here, and there's just a little coat closet right there. And then there's a bathroom. Again, I'm cleaning, and that's kind of nasty that the toilet is open. So it's clean though, guys, it's clean, but that's kind of weird. So there's the bathroom, nothing, spectacular, just a bathroom, but it's nice. And, they have a couple of touch-ups that they still have to do, but we just wanted to get in so we could start cleaning and what have you. Then this is going to be one of the kids' rooms. Nice size closet. So it's a nice, you can't even see the whole closet. Nice big closet with the sliding doors. So there's one room up here. And then right next door is it's quite a bit bigger than the other one. So yeah, this one's a lot bigger actually. So this is going to be my oldest son's room, I believe, just because he's had the smallest room for a really long time. So, I think it's due time for him to get a decent sized room. So then going back into the kitchen, I'm going to take you downstairs. And so I do have back door, got a little hanging thing there. And I just put this extra remnant here just because it's been raining here, so there's that. So then you go downstairs, and to the left is the boiler room, which nobody wants to see, so I'm gonna close that door. Oops. Okay, so there's that. And then, so my plan, this is our little laundry area. Obviously, washer dryer is going to go there. My daughter is going to have her little cosmetology set up in that corner because she does hair for school. This is all pegboard on the walls right here. So I'm thinking I'm going to put like a work table right here, maybe. Use that as like part of my craft area. And then we'll just use this for like, you know, laundry detergent, cleaning supplies, stuff like that. And then this is kind of cool. We have some storage back here. So I'm thinking this may be part of my craft area too, because all this is pretty cool because it's pegboard. So, you know, I'll have plenty of storage in there. And then there's another closet in here. So we've got plenty of storage on this side. So it's not ideal, but it will work. So again, we have to get our washer and dryer. I'll probably put some shelving unit here just for like storage for Christmas stuff and what have you. And then this is our basement, which is going to be turned into some rooms. So there's all that space over there. And then another space there. So it's a pretty decent size. And then this is going to be our suite. Sorry, there's stuff on the floor because we just pulled the paper they were painting in there, so I just pulled it out. I haven't thrown it out yet. This room is not as big as the one upstairs, but this one does have a bathroom attached, which is why we decided to take this one. You've got your closet, and the bathroom isn't completely finished yet. They're still working on it, but it's a nice, you know, it's not huge, but it's good enough. So they're still working on it. Still have to put the shower head on, finish some caulking and some like baseboards and stuff like that. But new toilets. The lighting is kind of weird in here, so I'm gonna change that because I don't like dim lighting. And so plenty of outlets. I love that. So yeah, I mean, it's a decent size. It's big enough for us. We're not sharing it with our son anymore, so that's a good thing. So that is the whole house there. I think, yeah, that's everything. So that is the tour. That's everything. There is some outside area as well, but it's shared and I don't want to, you know, show anything out there that nobody needs to see. So, so yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing, there's a very low ceiling here. I'll be doing a lot of like DIYs to make my house look better, make some good storage and stuff like that. So stay tuned, and I miss you guys so much. I really, really do. I miss chatting with you guys. I miss doing my DIYs. I miss it all. So hopefully very, very soon I will be back at it. That's it for now, guys. I'm out of breath. That's it for now, guys. I'm going to start finish my cleaning here. That is it until next time. Be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.